Easy and Fun!
Wow! Shall we learn lowercase letters now?